So this is very famous place. We are going in. Candy's taking me. So first she's going to choose what we are going to order. Hi guys, today I'm going to introduce you one famous dish in Vietnam, Hanoi. It's called Bún Bò Huế. Let me tell you just a few things about Bún Bò Huế so you will get familiar with what are we going to eat right now. So Bún Bò Huế is a popular rice noodle Vietnamese dish with sliced beef. The dish is originally from Huế City in central Vietnam. This dish is very popular and it's associated with the royals, like you need to be super rich. So this dish have a mix of spices, salt, oh my goodness, flour. So right now we get it getting served. Need a book go, Shema? Okay, so let's explore what do we have here. So this is look like something really crazy, maybe a liver. This is Shema. Okay, this is blood, great. So I'm going to eat some blood. This is beef. This is a bone. Like you can see, I have a bone. We're going to this, and then we have these beautiful noodles. So she said I can add some vegetables. Okay, I will add some vegetables, some lettuce, some
banana soup, banana cheese.
Whatever, I have no idea, but I'm putting everything she's putting. Some leaves for the taste. Mix everything. I think I will make it also a little spicy. Shisha. Okay, now I'm going to put some super spicy. Let's not add so much oil. Okay, let's mix. Let's try. Tastes very good. What's amazing that finally in a lot of Vietnamese dishes there is no taste. It's plain. You don't feel the spices. This dish is very awesome because it's super rich with spices, and I also add some extra spices to feel the taste. Tastes very good. Let's taste the blood. It's really weird. I'm not sure if I taste anything. It's almost tastes like nothing, like piece of meat with no really flavor or taste. A little salty for me. The broth tastes amazing. Really beautiful and good taste. I even taste a little bit spicy. Really beautiful taste of spices. I really like it. So somebody just come to sell us some stuff. Jaga bi voi chen chela koche, you way your way down. Bukan Bijian. So he rang the bell and everybody is going to bring the garbage. Okay. Now everybody carrying the garbage. The garbage guy came. This is so cool. Everybody carrying the garbage. Wow. How cool. Okay. Let's go back to it. Okay, let's find out what our next famous dish in Vietnam by Vietnamese local friends. Let's go!
là 160 sẽ đi 15 của chiếc thảm anh đưa đi. Ok chị.
So this is crazy. You have dogs, you have bikes, but she's literally going here by me. So I got told just that in Vietnam it's okay if you don't have space on the road, you just go where people walk. It's just normal. This is hilarious. Famous drink in Vietnam, coconut coffee. So far I like it.